Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Sling TV free trial step by step clearly. First, make sure you know the email address and password you use to start your Sling TV trial. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Sling.com. Click Sign In at the top of the page. Enter your account email and password, then sign in to your Sling account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it before continuing. After you sign in, look for your profile icon or the word Account on the top menu. Click Account to open your account settings page. On the account page, find the section called Subscription or Services. Click the option that says Manage Subscription or similar wording. Review the plan details to confirm you are canceling the correct Sling package. Scroll until you see Cancel Subscription or Cancel Service. Click Cancel Subscription to start the cancellation process. If Sling shows a warning about losing access, read it carefully and continue. Choose a reason for canceling if Sling asks you to select one. Click Continue to proceed to the next cancellation screen. Look for any special offers or discounts Sling may display and ignore them if you still want to cancel. Confirm again by clicking Cancel Subscription or Confirm Cancellation. Wait for the confirmation page to load completely. Check the screen for a message that says your subscription is canceled or will end on a specific date. Take a screenshot or write down the cancellation confirmation details for your records. Open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation email from Sling. If you do not receive an email within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Go back to the account page and verify your subscription status shows canceled or set to end. If you subscribed through Roku, Amazon, Apple, or Google, cancel from that platform subscriptions page instead of Sling.com. For iPhone or iPad billing, open Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Then cancel Sling there. For Google Play billing, open Play Store. Tap your profile. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then cancel Sling there. To avoid charges, cancel at least 24 hours before the trial end time shown in your account. If anything looks unclear, contact Sling support through the help or chat option on their website while you are signed in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.